Evening, everyone. Happy Sunday to you all, and happy end of week one. Hopefully, everything has gone well, and you've kind of gotten into the textbook, and maybe even got a little bit ahead. Let's go over week two. Okay, so today in the week of 556, it is the kind of topic of public education and the American dream. Before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about the things that are coming up. And I want to clarify assignment number two. So we were kind of going back and forth about when that's due. You will be doing a presentation during week 5, but assignment number 2 is due the end of week 4. So it's March 31st by midnight, and then that following Wednesday is when we'll actually be doing the presentation. So sorry for any confusion there. It's all correct on the website. So it'll be due the end of week 4, and then we'll present on the Wednesday of week 5 when we're together. Okay, and then the opinion paper's coming up due end of next week. So this will be a busier week. So let's go over a little bit. We've got 2 chapters, chapter 2 and 3. And then you've got a relatively long video. It's about, I think it's like 57 minutes, 60 minutes, something like that. And fundamentally, it's about Prop 13. So one of the assignments on there, I'm going to change a little bit. It said that you're going to do a 3-minute presentation to the class in week 3. And I'm going to shift that a little bit because I'm a little more interested in condensing it down. So we'll call it an elevator speech. So if you haven't heard that term before, basically it's if you got caught in an elevator with somebody going, to the 25th floor, and you had that amount of time from floor 1 to floor 24 or 25, what would you say about how Prop 13 has impacted public education, and perhaps some examples of how you see it at your school or within your district? So you'll see it on week 2, but that's a shift. An elevator speech, it's not a presentation to put together anything, but I would get your notes down about what you're going to say over that period of time, kind of heading up the elevator. Then there's also the learning module that you're going to want to pay attention to and complete. Discussion board, a really cool topic on parent choice. We spent a lot of time in my last class, a lot of interest in charter schools and vouchers and things like that. So this is similar to that, public versus private, those sorts of things. So I'll get in there with you guys on the discussion board, and we'll have a little bit of fun with that. Other than that, that's about all I have to offer for week number 2 in 556. A few of you reached out to me with questions. Great, keep it up. And if everyone else is feeling groovy, then keep rolling. I will see you face to face online on week number 3. But please don't hesitate to contact me if you got any questions. Okay? Have a great week.